This video depicts real police activity. All individuals shown are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Open the door.
From hidden cargo to secret stashes, traffic stops can turn into major drug busts in an instant.
Stop out.
Okay.
Every stop is a gamble.
Hey, what's going on, man? You take anything?
Your mom, dude.
And in these moments, officers uncover the truth,
Okay, there's a huge baggie.
seize the evidence,
No, man.
and face the high stakes head on. After a failed rooftop escape, a suspect turns a tense pursuit into a dangerous close-quarters confrontation. While on routine patrol, a San Antonio officer attempted a traffic stop. The driver didn't comply, pulling into a gas station.
Hey, get the car! 12-8, I got one running.
Exiting the passenger side with a black bag and running behind the building.
You got Tint! You get Tint!
The officer pursued on foot as the suspect moved through a residential block, jumping fences and crossing multiple yards. He was eventually spotted, trying to leap from a fence onto a rooftop.
Get down! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground, you got a knife! Hey, get on the ground! Put it down! You got a knife, bro, get on the ground! Hold on! I got him gun, but he has a knife. Get on the ground! Stop! Hey, get! Stop!
Body-worn camera video shows the officer deploying a taser. The suspect pulled the probes, refused commands,
Get on the ground!
and revealed a knife on his hip. A second taser attempt followed, but when the officer dropped it, the suspect picked it up and advanced. The officer then fired, striking the suspect. EMS arrived to provide life-saving aid, but the 43-year-old male was pronounced deceased at the scene. Officers recovered a sheathed knife, a firearm, and over 500 grams of narcotics from the black bag. From a routine traffic stop to close-quarters combat in seconds, you never know what the next stop will bring.
What's in the map? Furniture? What do you have?
Some of the biggest busts start with the smallest mistakes, like a lane violation.
How are you? Reason I'm stopping you is you were driving over the edge line. Want to make sure you're not texting and driving on your phone or anything. No. Where are you going?
PA.
PA? Yeah. What do you have?
Wow.
What are you hauling?
Oh, I'm moving.
Oh, you're moving?
Yeah.
Can we look in the back?
Yeah.
What's in the back? Furniture? What do you have?
Furniture.
Where are you coming from?
To Oklahoma.
You're coming from Oklahoma? Where are you going? I thought you said PA.
Inside, not furniture. Nearly 700 pounds of marijuana in sealed bags and storage bins.
You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be presented to the court of law.
From Oklahoma to New York, one lane violation turned into one massive bust. Others go to great lengths to avoid a search, but end up facing even bigger consequences.
Gun! It's either we're gonna take you out of the car or you're gonna step out on your own. Take your pick.
What looked like a minor traffic stop for an obstructed license plate could have ended with just a warning.
Stop out.
Okay.
Instead, it spiraled into a tense standoff
Can I help you?
and a shocking discovery.
Can you roll your window down?
No, sir. Can I help you? What did you pull me over for?
I'll explain it to you. You're gonna roll your window down.
No, you're going to answer my question first.
You're gonna roll your window down or I'm gonna open your door.
You are not going to do that.
I am.
No, sir.
Okay. 224, supervisor en route. Can you roll the window down lower so I can explain to you why I stopped you?
You're not going to force your way into my vehicle. You're not going to attack me.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened?
My question, why did you pull me
No,
over?
you're gonna do what I tell you. That's not how this works.
Then I'm going to pull you over into a parking
No, you're not.
gas station, and you can tell your
No,
supervisor.
you're not gonna go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off, racetrack.
Alright, all units, Mr. 83 traffic vehicle taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot.
She's still in the parking lot? She took off from me, and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to. Alright, well, put her Terminator down behind the tires. You can't. I got her semi-blocked in.
Some think stalling will save them. It never does. A simple refusal only turns up the heat. But instead of cooperating,
591, where's the location of your emergency?
Yes, I'm here in Palm Coast at a gas station. First of all, an officer practically harassed me throughout
Okay, which gas?
Sheriff's office, step out of the vehicle, do it now! Step out of the car.
Will you please tell them to stop threatening me and, like, making something out to be, like...
Where are you at right now?
I'm being threatened and I don't feel comfortable.
Alright, tell her to look to her left, tell her the supervisor's down at the end of the call.
dispatch informed deputies the woman was on the line. When told she was under arrest and needed to exit the car, she insisted she'd done nothing wrong and refused to get out.
Your time's running out.
All right, you need to get off the phone with me and you need to speak with law enforcement, okay?
Roll your window down. Roll it down.
I tried to ask them why they pulled me over. He told me that he was going to force his way into my vehicle, break my window, and wouldn't answer any of my questions. I'm like shaking in fear now because I have two officers here bombarding my car. I told him that I was going to pull into a parking space and that he could call whoever he was calling. I don't feel comfortable with them, shouting orders, possibly pointing guns at me. I don't know because they have all the lights pointed in my eyes.
Hold on.
I'm not opening my door. I'm opening my window anymore for anybody.
Okay, all right.
All right, look, just roll your window down. We'll talk, okay? Just at work. I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen, just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you, I don't know. I wasn't here. Okay.
Hey, all right. Who's gotten Chatterball?
We're going to break your window out. Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay? Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it going to be? You want your car smashed or are you going to get out? What's it going to be? You want your window broke or are you going to get out? Take your pick. Okay. Okay, we're moving in. We're going to break your window. We're doing it. You're under arrest.
When excuses run out, consequences kick in. Trying to dodge a search, that gamble rarely pays off.
Crawl over here. Do it now. Yes, crawl to us. Do it now.
Come over this way. Come over this way. Yeah, we can Leslie this.
Huh? All right. Step out. Step out.
Okay, don't get off with me. Please stop. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything
Put your hands on your back.
I didn't even do anything.
Okay.
Hey,
listen, that's what happens.
What? Aggression?
No, it wasn't aggression.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Oh my God. Please stop.
Moving for a second, please. Thank you.
Deputies eventually removed her from the vehicle, and the search revealed the truth. A purse found inside contained over 100 pills, with 10 testing positive for fentanyl and 21 identified as oxycodone. The driver was arrested on multiple felonies, from fleeing and eluding to drug possession charges.
You can't put these in front of me.
Congratulations, you turned us into something that really didn't need to be. It's just going to be all it was going to do was a warning. Great job.
A clear reminder that refusing to comply only escalates the situation.
Relax.
And sometimes it's not just your choices. It's the company you keep.
Relax. Hey, what did you take, ma'am?
A routine registration stop in Ohio
Okay, there's a huge baggie.
quickly turned into something much bigger.
That's a ton of meth. Go.
No, man.
When loyalty meets the law, things get awkward fast.
Hello, how we doing?
Hello, so the reason I stopped, your plate's expired.
It expired on my birthday, and I put move in. I haven't had the money to. I thought you had a 2 days grace period.
No. Once it's expired, it's expired. Is there anything you might follow us or that's you're aware of?
No, I mean, it's stuffed to the gills. If you want to search it, you can, but I mean, it's like...
All right, ma'am. So what we're going to do, okay, I do have a dog. Okay, we're running dogs around the vehicle.
What started as a simple traffic check led the trooper to dig deeper, and based on probable cause, a search of the vehicle began.
Okay, there's a huge baggie
The discovery didn't take long.
of meth. Detain him. Whose meth was that? That's a ton of meth.
That's the sound of someone finding out some friends come with baggage.
It's not mine. I don't want... It's not mine. No, man.
Troopers seized 221 grams of methamphetamine and 96 grams of cocaine. For more real-world lessons, straight from the street, hit subscribe.
Gun!
It started simple. Atlanta PD's Crime Suppression Unit spotted a car with illegal window tint in a high-crime area.
72 stop, Chattahoochee Avenue and Taylor Street on a silver Kia Telluride. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, I'm off Zone 2 traffic unit, man. Reason why we stopped you is because of your tint. They just thought I was doing traffic enforcement in this area. Yeah. You have your license on you? You have your license on you, boss? You should put that seatbelt on, man.
The stop seemed routine until officers caught a familiar smell.
Cool, thank you. Okay, cool. Just give me a second, all right?
Both occupants were detained, and the search began.
Hey, yo.
Inside the car, nearly 3.5 pounds of marijuana stacked in packaging.
It's a lot.
Bro. How much did he tell you was in the car?
He didn't.
17 digital scales, 2 Glocks, one with a 30-round extended magazine, and over $2,500 in cash. From window tint to guns, drugs, and cash on the table. Sometimes it's just a small violation that unlocks a big bust, and sometimes it only takes a minor stop to uncover a major problem.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
A windshield-kicking meltdown in Florida led to a massive drug bust, and a search warrant that uncovered even more.
You take anything? Your mom, dude.
The deputy initially thought he was responding to a disabled vehicle. A man was reportedly kicking the windshield and damaging other parts of the car.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
One Alpha 44 Central.
It didn't take long for the deputy to realize the passenger was in the middle of a drug-fueled breakdown.
Can you start me rescue, please? He's definitely on something.
I copy that.
Hey, what's going on, man? You take anything?
Your mom, dude.
Hey, what's going on, man? Here. Come here. Hey, relax, man. Relax. Hey, sit in the car real quick, okay? Sit in the car real quick.
Don't close the window.
Hey, hold on. Hey, relax.
41.
Relax. Can you step out for me? Relax. 44 Central, give me the channel. Stop. 44 Central, where's my second? Come here. Stop.
When you're alone on the roadside, a deputy never knows whether the next moment will bring compliance or chaos. And in this case, containing a suspect in the grip of drugs meant holding the line without escalating force.
Put your other hand behind your back! Put your other hand behind your back now!
Relax.
44, I'm pulling the channel
relax.
so you get another unit on.
Yeah, keep me the channel. He's still fighting. Relax.
Copy units code 3 for 107.
What you need?
Hey, what did you take, ma'am? I need you to calm down, buddy, okay? I cannot have you running out into traffic or kicking me, man.
The search of the car revealed a staggering stash. Over 1.4 kilograms of MDMA, more than a kilo of amphetamine, 4 grams of ketamine, and cannabis. The driver, who had stayed out of the roadside commotion, was arrested on charges of possessing a controlled substance and drug paraphernalia. But the real shock came with a follow-up search warrant at the passenger's home, where detectives uncovered even more. Additional MDMA, cocaine, psilocybin mushrooms, LSD, and a stockpile of 11 firearms, one of them stolen. The suspect's father was also arrested for being a felon in possession of a gun. Some drivers refuse to take responsibility and only make the consequences worse.
Open the door.
Oh, gun, gun, gun!
Police work grows more dangerous by the day. Even a welfare check, something meant to ensure safety, can suddenly spiral into a deadly confrontation.
911, where is your emergency?
Hi, I'm driving. I'm at Lindsay and Guadalupe, and there's a driver in a car who looks like he's slumped over the wheel, and he's not moving, and so he's blocking traffic.
Did it look like he was breathing, or you weren't able to tell?
I was not able to tell. I'm sorry. We drove past, and I glanced over, and he's still not moving. But I can't see his car where I'm sitting, and I can't tell any more about his condition. I'm so sorry.
No, you're totally fine. It looks like I have an officer as it is right east of there, so they're on their way over there. They're going to go ahead and check on him, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for calling it in.
Of course. Bye-bye.
Officers with the Gilbert Police Department located a vehicle stopped in the roadway with the driver unconscious at the wheel. To contain the risk, 2 patrol units boxed the car in. Uniformed officers knocked on the window and roof, calling out and attempting to open the locked door.
Open the door.
Eventually, the driver awakened.
Open the door.
At first, he appeared responsive. But then, in an instant, everything changed.
Gun!
Despite being hit, the suspect attempted to ram police vehicles and flee, turning the encounter into a violent felony and an immediate danger to the community. Officers fired again,
Hold traffic, hold traffic, hold traffic.
ultimately stopping the vehicle.
He's still trying to get away.
The 24-year-old was pronounced deceased shortly after. Inside the car, officers recovered the rifle pointed at them, another firearm in the suspect's waistband, 2 more in a backpack, and multiple loaded magazines. Also discovered were drugs, scales, baggies with residue, cash, alcohol, a plate carrier vest, and additional bags containing cocaine, ecstasy, and prescription pills. This incident underscores how quickly a call intended to protect life can shift into a life or death decision with tragic consequences. The reality is clear. The illegal drug trade consumes lives and destroys opportunities in countless ways.
Step out. Step out. Okay.
Those who get caught up in it pay a heavy price, and those who choose to fight back face even greater consequences. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing to stay updated on these high-stakes incidents.